Q services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. Question that I'm asked a regular way of customers and everything else. On the Gx630s, come on, they're wanting 30 litres at 200 bar. Now obviously we do the 250 bar 25 litres as well. One of the questions is, obviously they want you to clean, they want you to use bigger patio cleaners and everything else. Now 30 litres 200 bar, when you've got that machine, absolutely fantastic, you're running with an 09 nozzle. But the only trouble is, you need to have that 30 litres of water supply there to keep that machine going. Also, the other thing is, when you're trying to hold 30 litres at 200 bar all day long cleaning with, you're struggling. You can have muscles like I don't know what, and obviously it makes it hard at the end of the day because you're going to be aching by trying to keep going with 30 litres at 200 bar. If you're working, doing drain jetting and everything else, absolutely fine, no problem at all. Great little setup to work with. Now, we also do the 250 bar 25 litres. Now, on a 30 litre machine, if you turn the engine revs down to work with it, what you're doing is not just turning the revs down, but when you turn the revs down, you're turning it down, so the litres goes down, but so does the pressure, so you're working below 200 bar. 250 bar 25 litres. We know that a 21 litre 200 bar machine will do the job of driveway and patio cleaning all day long, no problem at all. When we're running with bigger patio cleaners and everything else, 250 bar 25 litres is the way to go. We've still got that option there of, if you're struggling for the water supply, you can still turn the pressure washer down. So the machine is working at lower revs, so the machine is working like a 21 litre 200 bar pressure washer by turning the engine revs down. So if the water's not keeping up for any reason, you've still got the machine working above 200 bar, depending how far you turn the engine revs down at 21 litres. Or like I say, if you want to have muscles, again, same thing, and you want to hold it on a single lance 250 bar 25 litres. If you use it on a patio cleaner, then the nozzle size is 0.7. You'd then be putting 15 0.35 jets in there to make up the 7 size. And like I say, it has been one of the biggest selling machines, 250 bar 25 litres, fantastic machine. I know it's a pressure washer, but it purrs. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.